Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum from Delaware. Uh, I am trying to teach you about uh, what is WordPress. WordPress get familiar with the most popular way to build a website. If you have ever searched for information about building websites, you have likely heard of WordPress, but what exactly is WordPress you don't know. Briefly describe, WordPress is the most popular tool to create a website with. It allows you to easily build and manage your own website without needing to know how to code. WordPress is fairly easy to use and offers a wide variety of customizable themes and plugins. WordPress is a content management system. This is a software that allows the users to continue and manage content, but over the years, WordPress has become much more than just a CMS. It successfully established itself as the go-to tool for building a website or blog. How does WordPress work? To get started building your WordPress website, you should begin by choosing a theme. A theme defines the appearance of your website, and each theme comes with its own design, layout, and features. Your theme is customizable and you can change it at any point without losing your content. You can publish content by working with an editor to create pages or posts. The standard editor works with blocks, which are elements like headings, paragraphs, buttons, or images. These allow you to build your page while having a structured layout. You can easily switch to a code editor if you need to. To make the most out of your website, you can use plugins. Plugins are additional features you can install on your website. There are a wide variety of both free and paid plugins available, and each has its own use. They can, for example, improve the performance of your site, protect your website against spam, or help you with SEO. Plugins generally make creating and maintaining your WordPress website a lot easier. Why should I use WordPress? If you are planning to build a website, WordPress is a great choice. It is widely regarded as the best tool to create your website with. At the time of writing, 36% of all sites on the internet are powered by WordPress. Besides its popularity, there are many more reasons to use WordPress. It's accessible to anyone. You do not need to have any knowledge about building a website to start using WordPress. It is free to use. There are no additional costs to using WordPress, and you can use it with all of your plans. It gives you a lot of possibilities due to plugins. One of the biggest advantages that WordPress has over other tools is the additional features you can add to your site by using plugins. It can also be used to set up an online shop, for example, with WooCommerce or our own online shop product. It is easy to install. With most of our hosting plans, you can install WordPress quickly using our one-click installer. How do I get started with WordPress? To get started with WordPress, select one of our hosting plans and start building your WordPress website. With most of our plans, you can install WordPress in just one click. Once you have done that, you can access the WordPress dashboard. This is where you can create and manage your WordPress site. The dashboard has many features for you to explore, but a good starting point is selecting and customizing a theme. How to use WordPress for beginners. WordPress is one of the most popular CMS systems in the world. WordPress allows you to create and manage a website. Still, using WordPress requires some technical knowledge to use the advanced features. Don't panic. This complete guide will get you started on how to use the basic of WordPress. Let's get started. Why use WordPress? WordPress is not the only CMS in the world, so why should you choose WordPress? We give you a few benefits. Number one, it's user friendly. With the Gutenberg editor, you can easily add different types of content to your site, such as text, videos, images, and buttons. Do you want to customize a theme? You can change it easily via the so-called customizer. Number two, flexible. You can design a unique website that suits your business. You can choose thousands of themes and plugins for your site. Number three, support. Over the years, many users and developers have emerged to help each other with problems. You can ask for support via the forums on the WordPress organization website. Number four, cost effective. WordPress is open source. Anyone can download the software for free and customize it to their liking. You don't need an expensive custom made website, but you can manage your site yourself to save cost. How to use WordPress? You must be wondering how do I use WordPress? Below you can read more about the basics of WordPress. In 13 steps, you will create your WordPress website. Let's get started. Number one, define your goals. First of all, define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your website? You may want to be visible online, or you want to boost sales by starting on online shop. By defining your goals as smart, they become practical and achievable. In addition to your goals, determine who your target audience is. You can specify your website to the end user as much as possible. A persona will help you do this.